Oh my gosh, guys, we have a massive trouble. Oh, we have a massive trouble. We have a massive trouble. It's getting so worse. We have a thunderstorm. It's about to rain. Too deadly. Like it's going to flood the something. Something's wrong with my camera. I mean, this is nothing. I'm just joking. Some of birds are flying but dangerous. You know, no kids going out. No, only 9 to 12 years old to get to get it. Not 6 or 7 years old. I am 7 years old. I am the 12th grader. Oh my gosh, the storm. I mean, the thunder. Oh my gosh. This is getting worse. Oh my god. Oh my. Something's gonna happen first in 6 a.m. or something. I mean 6 p.m. or something. It's so loud. Like the tornado's coming. Now I know it. These are guys playing outside. It's not being dangerous. It's gonna be okay. We can see if the kids playing. If we can see if the storm. Come here. Oh my gosh, it's coming. Just stay here like that. This is about to happen. It's gonna happen now. Wait, is that a farming or something? What is it? I look like when the tornado is coming at us in Philippines. It doesn't exist. Still be worse than the tornado and earthquake. You get the trees. It's still very hot. It helps. It's gonna rain. My cat nervous to thunderstorms. Meow.